Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I'll be talking more about the 10x income system today, guys, and a little bit of an update of what it's been doing for all the members inside the group. As of right now, guys, there's only 1,200 members inside the group. It's definitely not a lot at all compared to a lot of other affiliate programs, guys. But this program has only been out since October 1st, guys, and it's still just growing. It's just growing and growing. I've been in the Facebook group, guys, myself earlier today, and people are literally just making commissions, guys, while they're out just doing regular things. I saw one lady in the group who actually just got paid like another $297 commission while she was on a date, just taking her boyfriend out to dinner. It was just amazing, guys. People just doing regular things, guys, and just waking up to money, guys. It's just huge. It's just huge. So the text income system, it's done for you, affiliate system, guys, where you have the ability to earn unlimited 297 commissions. But how is this all possible? Why is it so automated, so done for you guys? Where there's no complicated setup, no experience or tech skills needed, and there's basically no waiting for results, guys. So how is all this possible, guys? Well, Tabby D is creator of the text income system, guys. She's put together traffic packages within the program, guys, that you can leverage, guys, because she is a Google Ads expert, guys, and she's collecting all these leads for you guys and having a team direct all this traffic to your affiliate link, guys, so you can get commissions. Now, the traffic packages do, of course, cost money on top of what it pays to get inside this program, guys. But the value that's inside, it's definitely worth it. Now, this program was $997. I don't mean like literally $997. It was $997 at one point, guys. But it's now only $297 for a limited time. Now that still seems kind of steep for some of you. I was kind of skeptical at first, guys, but a good friend of mine actually invited me and showed me what it was doing for her, guys. And a few of my friends have joined since then, guys, and started using it, started getting results. Even my brother has actually been using this program longer than me and has been getting some pretty good results as well, guys. Now he's actually using this program pretty much full time, guys. He was able to quit his job and use the program pretty much full time. Now, it's working pretty good for him right now, but definitely still growing, still learning, guys. Like a bunch of people in there, including myself, guys. So we're not like millionaires or anything like that, but we're definitely making some like decent income using it. Okay, so back to the 10x income program, guys. 297. Again, that might seem kind of steep, but this program offers a 365-day money back guarantee. So if you're not satisfied with the services or anything in it that's provided, guys, at any time, money back guarantee, just like that. Now let's go back to the Facebook group, guys, where people were actually posting some results. This lady right here, guys, what a day so far, and the day is still young. You put together a monster converting system, powerful. She sort of just giving a shout out to Tabby D, guys, in the private members Facebook group. Uh, Check this out, right? This is her gross income using the tax income system, guys. She posted this today, October 26th, 2021, guys. Check this out. Boom. See that? I'm not sure how long she's been in this group, guys. She posted this October 26th. So let's assume she joined on the 1st. It could have been later than that. So in 26 days, guys, these were her results. All right. Now, if that was you, how would that make you feel, guys? How would it feel waking up to something like this, guys? Uh, Maybe it's not instant, guys. Maybe it takes a couple of weeks to come in. Just being realistic. But how would you feel if you were able to get these types of results, guys? Literally waking up to cash in your pocket. That's huge. That's game changing right there. And of course, we have people pretty much posting on a daily basis, guys. Very good stuff. Very good stuff. Tabby D is also giving people a lot of feedback in this group as well. It's just really cool to watch, really cool to be a part of, guys. So that's pretty much a 10x income system, guys. If you want some more information about this, just let me know. I'll make